Hello students, welcome to the session. I hope you all are doing good. Our topic for today is plant kingdom. Students, my uncle live in village. He has various number of farms. In the farms, there are various plants. They all are of different shapes, sizes and color. In today's session, I will let you know about plants, about the plant kingdom. The first type we have is trees. Trees are big plants. They have woody stem. They are very strong and hard. Trees are strong, hard and big. Trees are woody, hard, strong. They are big. You know, students, trees live for many years. They have many branches and leaves and they live for many years. For example, banyan tree, peepal tree, mango tree. Next comes up shrubs. Shrubs are small plants with thin stem. Shrubs जो होते हैं वो leaf से छोटे होते हैं. They are short plants. They are small in height and also thin stem. इनकी stem thin होती है. For example, rose plant, jasmine plant, hibiscus plant. All these are example of shrubs. Next comes up herbs. They are the smallest and even they have the thinnest stem. Herbs जो होते हैं वो shrub से भी छोटे होते हैं. They have very thin stem. For example, mint plant, coriander. These are herbs. They are very weak. You know, herbs are used in cooking and for making medicines. You must have seen your mother putting coriander in the vegetable or in curries to enhance the taste. Herbs are used in cooking and making medicines. So we understood about trees, shrubs and herbs. Next are climbers. Climbers are plants which are very weak. They cannot grow on their own. They need support to grow. You must have seen some plants that are sticking on the wall or with a stick, right? These are called as climbers. They need support to grow. For example, money plant, pea plant, grapevine plant. You know, students, like climbers, we have creepers as well. They are also very weak. They cannot grow on their own. They grow usually on the ground because of the heavy fruit. For example, pumpkin plant, watermelon plant. All these have weak stems and cannot grow on their own. Next comes up life of a plant. You know, students, what is the life cycle of a plant? First, it is a seed. Then it becomes a sapling. After being a sapling, it becomes a plant. Then this plant grows and become big as tree. Seed, sapling, plant, tree. You know, students, plants need various things to grow. For example, sunlight, air, water and soil. That's how they become big, when they are getting the enough things for their growth. You know, students, there are some plants which are grown because their leaves are useful. Every plant has leaves. So, some plants' leaves are very useful. For example, ladyfinger leaves, tea leaves, tulip leaves, wheat leaves, spinach leaves. All these are important. Their leaves are helpful for us. That is why they are grown. That's all for today's session. I hope you are now aware with trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers, creepers, life cycle of a plant and the plants we grow for their leaves. That's all for today's session.